You're looking for the best POV camera to capture action shots? The Insta360 X3 with the mouth mount is the best combination for epic POV shots. The Pro Grill mount in combination with the Insta360 X3 is the ultimate combination. With the Pro Grill mount, you can create stunning POV shots, which you are able to adjust in post-processing. Simply mount your Insta360 X3 on the Pro Grill and use the mouth mount for any POV shots. No matter if you're hiking, running, or even underwater, this POV mount is the perfect accessory for the Insta360 X3. In the video description you will find a link to the Pro standard grill mount and the necessary accessories. Try it out yourself and use your Insta360 X3 for cool POV shots. Subscribe to my channel for more Insta360 tips and tricks and never miss a video in the future.